little lower. Right above that. Right in there. Right in there. Yep. Same thing on the other side. Put her face in there.
It's a video. So sorry. I really hate to unexpectedly record, but
You did it.
how do you feel?
Fine.
Flattered.
Yeah.
You can't speak for her. Speak for yourself. She
I thought you were
feels.
talking to me.
No. Why would I be talking to you? How do you feel
right
doing
here,
what
you
you've been
video
doing
me
for
too.
20 years?
Yeah.
The endless intern.
Right, right.
Alright, I think that's enough of that.